Hey guys, welcome to my house tour video finally. Super excited to share this with you guys because, as you know, a year ago when I drove my M3 GTR and Rachel drove her WRX about 3,000 miles across the country, 5 days to move here to Arizona, and that house we originally got was a lease, and it was only a year lease. We knew we were only going to be there for exactly a year. We couldn't renew our lease contract because they were going to sell the house after us. So yeah, we were honestly I never thought we'd buy a house straight up. I thought we'd just lease or rent again. But we bought a house. Originally we were actually gonna be even more on the outskirts, the countryside of Arizona, and we'd have a ton of land. But we randomly found this pretty awesome lot here in Mesa, which is like central Phoenix area. It's way closer to everything, way closer to the meets, way closer to our jobs. Before I used to drive an hour to work, she used to drive an hour and 10. Now it's like 25 minutes for both of us. And yeah, it's my new house, this trailer. Kidding, but so this house did come with this trailer in the backyard. And as you guys know, I talked about building a shop at this new house. And first thing, the trailer's got to go. I already sold it for $1,000, and I have some guy coming to get it. This thing was absolutely on the floor. And as you can see, I put some wheels on it. They're all underneath it. I'll show you guys the inside of the trailer, just because this is what I'm focused on right now, just getting this thing out. But it's got that nice 80s porno shag carpeting. I guess someone used to live in here. Used to have an air conditioning thing right here. I mean, it's like a 24-foot trailer from the early 80s, maybe. Something like that. I'm like way too tall to be in here because I feel like my head's gonna literally hit everything. But yeah, as you guys know, I actually wanted an RV to be able to travel with the dogs and haul a car, but this isn't the type of RV I want. This is like this is a trailer you tow with a truck. I want an RV, meaning the truck is the RV, and then we can tow whatever fun car I have so we could travel, especially with the dogs. Right now, focusing getting this off. What you guys didn't see before was there's basically a giant carport here overhanging, almost reaching this, kind of as a shade thing. We took that completely apart, threw everything in. That's what all those things are in there. And I just have to put the other wheels on the other side. These super dry rotted wheels and tires. Just inflated them to 40 PSI. They're so old. I can only imagine they're probably 30, 40 years old. And it's a 4-lug, which is weird because, as you know, most cars nowadays are 5-lug. All trucks, trailers, everything are like 6 or 8 lugs. So it's kind of weird that all this weight is being held by a 4-lug. Hi, Rachel. But as you can see how much land we have for the dogs and everything. Kai, come here. Come say hi. Kai, come here. Doesn't listen to me, but the dogs are super happy. But you could see how much land I have now. It's not much. I mean, it's like a 1/4 acre lot, but the plan is once the RV is gone, that's an RV gate, meaning you can put trailers, RVs, trucks, cars through that. Like, it opens, and right here would probably have that little section paved, so I don't have to drive on gravel or anything like that, and have like a 30 by 50 shop for this half of the yard. That's like way more than enough, like a 10-car garage, way more than enough for anything I need. But to have like lifts and a paint booth in and stuff. On the property too, we have an orange tree with some of these are grown, some of these aren't, but they kind of look like lemons right now. But this is an orange tree. We have a lemon tree over here, which is kind of cool. I don't know, I've never had like actual edible plants or anything like that. Have a shed for storage. We still have this whole half of the yard. As you can see, they kind of had some weird like patio bonfire setup. I don't know if we're gonna keep it or not. Do you think we're gonna keep it? We could do one fire. Yeah, we could do one fire here, but put like a gazebo over it. Or put a pool right here. And it kind of wraps around the side a little bit with another shed for storage, which is pretty cool. I have this storing all the R8 parts right now. The R8 owner, or the buyer, is coming tomorrow here. You can see I have all the R8 parts in here. Close. Okay. And we have everything else in here. Currently we have our counter. All my garage stuff is right here. My motorcycle's here. I actually rode around the motorcycle around the backyard. It's pretty cool having a backyard big enough. A door that we have to cut a hole in for the doggy door. And we have Phoenix over here. Hey, sweet girl. She's kind of scared of the camera. Inside this house is a tiny bit smaller than our old house, but it's nice and cozy because, as I said, it's only me and Rachel. We don't have any kids. We just have 4 dogs, so the backyard was definitely a priority. We still haven't even really put the couches inside because we're still going to paint all the walls and everything. Let me know in the comments down below if you want us to make a video of all that, all the house improvements that we do. This is going to be my room, office, whatever, where my computer will be set up and all that. Which I don't even have internet here. I believe we're going to get it on Tuesday. And then we have our bedroom. It's not really that interesting. I know you guys probably don't care about the inside of the house that much. I don't really either. I just care about the backyard and what I could do with it. But we have a giant wide driveway in the front. It's probably like 2 car wide up here. But then you'll see down here. Down here I have the R8 and the Subaru. You could probably park 3 cars wide here. My R8's kind of just in the middle. It's neat. It's just a carport. It's not an actual garage or anything like that, but we could maybe turn this into a single garage. But the plan is kind of have like a fence area right here so the dogs can't go in front of the gate, or like where the shop entrance kind of would be, and basically just have automated gates right here that when I click a button, the gates kind of like open inward, and then there's like a driveway and it goes into like the shop. And I can either just leave the car here with the gate closed, or I can leave the car in the garage, and then when I need to leave, just have it like on a button system. But anyways, enough talk about that. I'm gonna jack up this side of the RV and get the wheels on. Then we'll continue from there. And we can actually look around and see what we're gonna do with this property. Well, after a few ugga-duggas, wheels are on. Now we're just gonna disconnect like the water, the sewage, which I really don't want to do, but, and whatever the hell this is, gas I guess, for heating. I don't know, something, I guess. You know, when I listed this for $1,000, I really thought this would be like the simplest thing ever, but should have asked more. If any of you use Facebook Marketplace to sell your stuff, you know how stupid people are. I listed this thing and I got like 80 plus people messaging me within 20 hours of posting it for $1,000. I was like, damn, I should have posted it for like $2,000. There's people asking if they could like live in here for $1,000 a month. I was like, no, I want to build a shop for my crappy cars. Hey friend. Oh, you're so good. Oh, you're so good. Oh, you're so good. They're not allowed out. Because when they're out, they keep going underneath the RV. That's also why I want to get it out here. Because they just keep going under there and sniffing about and whatnot. I don't want anything to happen to my precious dogs. It's on all 4 ugga-duggas. And we got this random 6-bolt, looks like a dually front wheel from like something from the 1800s. Holy crap. Whoa, I didn't even see that. I saw that the tire was bald. I didn't see that though. So we're just resting there. I'm pretty sure this still works. They have electric motors for these too. Makes it a lot easier, but they fail apparently a lot.
Here she's like, what's going on? What's going on, Yo-Yo?
Does it not even have a base plate? Usually they're supposed to have like a plate so it doesn't just sink in. Let me demonstrate to you boys how this RV gate kind of works. Now, as you can see, there's way more than enough room for anything giant, whether it's a giant truck RV to come through. Here's the R8 for scale. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna move the R8 now into the street so these guys have room to back up their truck and everything. Finally getting the shit off the property. You can see all the crap underneath it. Jesus Christ. Whatever. Easy $1,000. Part of the house. This thing's long though. God knows if it's even gonna make it on this drive out of tires. I think they're driving like an hour and a half away from here, which is like crazy. Whatever, not my problem, I guess. I'm sure they're probably just gonna throw it on their property and rent it out to some chum for like, you know, $600 a month or some crap like that. Because there's a lot of, these RV homes are pretty popular in Arizona. You know, they just plop them on land, hook them up to power and electricity, water, and that's it. People live in them. Crazy. Yeah, so that thing's gone. Doesn't have working lights, so they're like rigging up some shit to it. But anyways, we're gonna head to our old house. Yeah, we're gonna head to our old house now, where we gotta clean up a bunch of stuff and all this crap, and give the keys back to our old owner. Yeah, well, yard looks like an absolute mess, but I'm sure that thing's gonna throw out a bunch more stuff on the highway than just this, but at least it's gone. So look at this. Oh my God, open area. Wow, amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I can't wait to wide body this house. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye, guys.